What if I told you there's scientific evidence that we're not alone in the universe? And even more disturbing, that we've already been visited and are being watched at this very moment? What you're about to discover will shake everything you believe about our cosmic existence. In October 2017, something extraordinary happened. A mysterious object crossed our solar system in a way never seen before. It was named Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means messenger from afar arriving first. A name that couldn't be more prophetic because what we discovered about this visitor completely changed our understanding of extraterrestrial life. Initially, scientists thought it was just a common comet, but something was wrong. Very wrong. Oumuamua had no tail, didn't expel gases like comets do, and its shape was bizarre, elongated like a giant cigar 1,312 feet long. But the most disturbing thing was its behavior. It was accelerating without explanation, as if something or someone was controlling its trajectory. For years, this mysterious acceleration remained an enigma. Until in 2025, the renowned Dr. Avi Loeb, Harvard professor, along with his team in advanced artificial intelligence, made discoveries that left the scientific community in shock. What they found not only explained Oumuamua's origin, but revealed something much more frightening. The first discovery was devastating. Oumuamua most likely is not a natural object. All evidence points to an artificial origin. It behaves exactly like objects built by intelligent beings and launched into space. But here, it gets even more unsettling. Its trajectory suggests it was specifically interested in our planet. Just look at the data. When they simulated more than 1,000 trajectories of natural objects coming from the same direction, they discovered something shocking. Any natural celestial body following Oumuamua's path would have collided with Earth. The chance of it avoiding impact by chance was practically zero. But it passed at exactly 15.5 million miles from our atmosphere, a distance calculated with surgical precision. But wait, it gets worse. The trajectory analysis revealed that Oumuamua entered our solar system in a straight line, maintained constant speed near the sun, made a perfect elliptical curve around our star, and then headed specifically close to Earth. Mercury and Venus were on the opposite side of the sun at the time. Coincidence? The numbers say no. The second discovery is even more disturbing. Using the famous Drake equation, which calculates how many advanced civilizations might exist in our galaxy, the researchers determined Oumuamua's probable origin, a young region of the Milky Way, only 1 to 2 billion years old. But here's the haunting paradox. How did a civilization so young in cosmic terms already develop technology for interstellar travel? The most likely answer is chilling. Oumuamua may have been strategically positioned by a much older and more advanced civilization, as if it were a cosmic spy, discreet, fast, silent, almost invisible to our technologies. A true interstellar reconnaissance agent. Think about this. It absorbed solar radiation at exactly the correct angle to use our own star as propulsion. It didn't expel gases like natural comets do. Its acceleration had no conventional physical explanation. And the most frightening part, it passed close only to Earth, ignoring planets with much greater gravitational force. NASA has already officially admitted that there's no mathematical possibility for a natural object to deviate 19.9 million miles from its trajectory by chance. And do you know when was the last time astronomers detected similar behavior in space? With objects manufactured by ourselves, like SpaceX's Tesla Roadster. The third and most shocking discovery? Oumuamua didn't come alone. Calculations show that similar objects may be approaching our solar system at this very moment. What if our galaxy is full of advanced civilizations sending exploratory probes? What if we're part of a large-scale cosmic study? But there's more. Oumuamua's exact speed, 16.4 miles per second, wasn't random. It was perfectly calculated for an efficient interstellar journey. Its rotation was also anomalous. It spun like an artificial object, not like a natural asteroid that tumbles chaotically through space. And you know what's most frightening? It seemed to know exactly when our most advanced telescopes would be pointed at it. The simulations revealed another disturbing detail. Oumuamua used Jupiter's gravity as a gravitational slingshot with precision that defies any natural explanation. It literally surfed the gravitational forces of our solar system as if it perfectly knew our planetary configuration. How is this possible without detailed prior knowledge of our system? And here's something that will give you chills. The data suggests it may have made multiple passes through our system over thousands of years, always maintaining safe distance, always observing, always collecting information. Each visit more precise than the previous one, as if it were mapping and studying our technological evolution. Dr. Loeb reached a disturbing conclusion. We live in an era when we need to accept that unidentified flying objects are real, and that most likely we're not alone in the universe. But there's something even more unsettling about this discovery. We're not just observers of the cosmos. We are observed, studied, analyzed by intelligences that master technologies we can barely comprehend. Oumuamua wasn't a casual encounter. It was a planned visit, executed with precision that defies our understanding of physics. And now, while you watch this video, other probes may be approaching. Other messengers from afar may be collecting data about our civilization, our technology, maybe even about you. Imagine, at this very moment, there may be dozens of similar objects silently crossing our solar system, invisible to our most primitive detectors. The reality is that our 2017 technology barely managed to detect Oumuamua. How many other objects went unnoticed? How many are still out there, observing, studying, reporting to their civilizations of origin? And the most astounding thing, why now? Why, after millions of years of human evolution, are we being visited precisely in the digital age, when we developed nuclear capability and began exploring space? The answer may lie in our own technological evolution. Perhaps these civilizations monitor the development of intelligent species and intervene at critical moments. Perhaps we're being evaluated to determine whether we represent a threat or an opportunity for future contact. The question is no longer whether we're alone in the universe. The question is, what do these civilizations want with us? And more importantly, are they friends, or do they represent a danger to our species? The universe will never be the same after these revelations. Oumuamua wasn't just the first interstellar object detected. It was our first concrete evidence that we're part of something much bigger, much more complex, and perhaps much more dangerous than we ever imagined. If these discoveries impacted you as much as they impacted the global scientific community, leave your like on this video so more people can have access to this revolutionary information. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to not miss any updates about these discoveries that are changing our understanding of extraterrestrial life. Until next time, and remember, now we know we're not alone. The question is finding out what's coming next.